All right, folks, welcome back. Today we got a unboxing of the Dirt Devil steamer. There's no good videos of unboxing or using this steamer for some reason, so I'm gonna try to make one. I'm gonna have two separate videos, one for the unboxing and one for using. Just got this Amazon. I paid for it with my own money. This is unusual fare. Got this for hard to clean places, including my vehicle. These are the attachments. Measuring cup. Okay. Kind of got a hole bashed in the side of it. But let's open her up. What do you say? Okay. We've got, there's the steamer in there. Instructions. Kind of standard run-of-the-mill stuff here. It's just basically a piece of paper. Two sides and French, the usual fare. Okay. So let's see if I can do this a little bit better. So let's start with this. Take that out. I don't know what it is. Okay, first, this looks like a hanging bracket or a tooling bracket of some sort. It's got a rubber edge. Squeegee of some sort. Don't know. Got a, looks to be a storage bag, I guess. Store it in there. It's got the storage bag. Let's see what else we got. Some kind of a attachment. This looks like it goes maybe on here somehow. I'm not gonna do it right now because I don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, some sort of an attachment. This is appears to be a hose. It's fairly heavy. Yeah, it's fairly heavy. It's got some weight to it. I guess that's the main hose. Oh, great. We got, it's an interesting box. Some type of a flat scraper blade. Angled attachment. Let's see what else we got. Offset brush, some kind of another one. And another one of weird box. Kind of weird box to put that stuff in, but whatever. There's the unit itself. Big heavy cord, long heavy cord. This nozzle in the box down there, it got smashed right where the nozzle is. So, but everything looks okay. So let's see where this is gonna go. What else do we have in here? Got a measuring cup. This is a milliliters. Got somebody's old dirty sock. No, just kidding. I don't know what this is. Some kind of a protector or bonnet for something. Elastic. Strange. Don't know. Last thing. Looks like just an extension of the nozzle. So that's all. The unit itself seems to be, excuse my disorganization here, quite heavy. It's got a little weight to it, no water in it yet. It's got a little something to it. The cord is definitely got something to it. It's a substantial long cord. I don't know if that's 10 feet or what it is, but yeah, so that's it. That's the complete unboxing of the Dirt Devil steam cleaner from Amazon today. It was like 35 bucks or something. Yeah, I bought it myself. Nobody's sending me anything. I guess I'm not that much of a professional. That's fine. So yeah, plenty of attachments, plenty of hoses, storage bag. Let's see how it goes. I'll make another video after I get using it and tell you what's going on. All right, thank you. See you.